In this video, we'll explore how to use vinegar in your laundry routine to boost cleaning power and freshness. Vinegar is a natural, inexpensive, and versatile solution that can tackle tough odors, stains, and even fabric softening. Let's dive into the different ways you can incorporate vinegar into your laundry for amazing results. White vinegar is a powerhouse for laundry care. It helps to remove odors, soften fabrics, brighten colors, prevent lint buildup, and even tackle tough stains. Plus, it's eco-friendly and safe for most fabrics, making it a must-have addition to your laundry routine. You'll need distilled white vinegar, your regular laundry detergent, and access to your washing machine. Make sure to use white vinegar, as other types like apple cider vinegar can stain your clothes due to their color. Replace your regular fabric softener with half a cup of white vinegar during the rinse cycle. Vinegar naturally softens clothes without leaving any residue, making it especially great for people with sensitive skin. It also helps reduce static cling. For clothes with strong odors, add 1 cup of white vinegar to the wash cycle along with your detergent. Vinegar neutralizes odors like smoke, sweat, or mildew, leaving your laundry smelling fresh and clean. To brighten colored clothing and revive whites, add half a cup of vinegar to the wash cycle. Vinegar helps to dissolve detergent buildup that can dull fabrics over time, enhancing the brightness of your laundry. For tough stains, create a mixture of 1 part vinegar and 1 part water. Apply this solution directly to the stained area. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash as usual. This method is effective for sweat stains, deodorant marks, and minor food spills. Vinegar isn't just for your clothes. It's great for maintaining your washing machine too. Once a month, run an empty cycle with 2 cups of vinegar to clean the drum, remove detergent buildup, and prevent odors. While vinegar is safe for most fabrics, avoid using it on delicate materials like silk or wool, as it can damage these fibers. Always check care labels before using vinegar on your clothing. Adding vinegar to your laundry routine is an easy, natural way to improve cleaning results and keep your clothes fresh. From removing odors to softening fabrics, vinegar is a versatile and eco-friendly solution for your laundry needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical cleaning tips and home care advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.